Friends, sir, in the last videos we covered just started about flow control. In the flow control we covered what is the if else, next and after that if else, elif, like this type of syntaxes we covered already, right? Now just let me practice some questions related to this if else, like these things, right? It's a very easy, nothing will be there, sir. We already familiar with these. So now my requirement is write a program, write a program to find the biggest of two given numbers, two given int values, two given int values. Okay, this is my requirement, right? Array two int values I will provide from the keyboard. You have to tell biggest of these two numbers, right? So by using ternary operator we covered already. But anyway, here we are not required to use ternary operator because our job is to familiar with if else this type of syntaxes. That's why. Okay, let me talk a bit clearly about this terminology, right? Okay, just if else, by using if else, how you can do that part I have to take care. Sir, it's a very simple. Can you please read the two numbers from the keyboard? Okay, enter first number, enter second number, enter first number, enter second number. Like let me talk. N1 is equal to input on, enter first number, enter first number. Okay, like I'm taking, sir, here it is int of. Have you observed int of? Similarly, N2 is equal to int of enter second number, second number, right? Okay, so like your two numbers are there. Okay, like now my question is, so I have to read, I have to find the max biggest of two numbers, sir. Biggest of two numbers I require to find, sir. Okay, how we can do that? What is the way? How we can do that? What is the way, sir? It is a very simple, sir. Here what I have to take here is okay. Okay, so a small here, just my requirement here is just to take a bit special care about this one. So biggest of two numbers. So if n1 greater than n2, which is the biggest number? Can you please confirm? N1 greater than n2, which is the biggest number? Can you please confirm? N1 is the biggest number, correct, right? N1 is the biggest number, right? Okay, print biggest number is okay, n1. Biggest number is n1. Okay, like I can take else, sir, print the biggest number. Biggest number is okay, n2. Okay, like we have. Okay, that's all. So if n1 greater than n2, biggest number is n1, else biggest number is n2. Okay, like we can take. Now let me execute this code, sir. Observe carefully. What is the answer by default you are going to get? Enter first number, enter second number. Okay, now the biggest number is the 20. Okay, like sir, enter first number minus 10, enter second number minus 20. Which is the biggest number? Can you please confirm which is the biggest number in this case? Minus 10 or minus 20? Minus 10 is the biggest number. Okay, biggest number is the minus 10. Perfectly, it's working. There is no doubt at all. Okay, like so now here just observe. This is the small example. Any explanation is required related to this example? Can you please confirm? Any explanation is required related to this example? I hope from our childhood onwards we are discussing this type of things. I don't think some explanation is required related to this one, sir. Now, sir, here write a program to find the biggest of three given numbers. Three given numbers. Okay, three given int values. Int values, right? Three given int values. I don't think you people are going to get some difficulty to do this one, sir. Very simple. Just instead of asking first number, second number, now you can ask third number also. Third number also. Sir, enter third number. Enter third number, right? Okay. Very simple, sir. Do you know here n1 greater than n2 and n1 greater than n3, which is the biggest number? Can you please confirm if this condition is satisfied? If this condition is satisfied, which is the biggest number? N1 is the biggest number. Okay, n1 is the biggest number. Okay, like here n1 is the biggest number. So here elif means control. When the control will comes to elif, else sir, if n1 is not the bigger number, correct? Right? If n1 is not the bigger number, then only the control will comes to this. If n1 is not the bigger number, then which one will be the bigger number? Either n2 is the bigger number or n3 is the bigger number, correct? Right? If n2 greater than n3, now n2 is the biggest number, otherwise n3 is the biggest number. Okay, now observe that is very simple. N1 greater than n2, n1 greater than n3. So if n1 greater than n2, n1 greater than n3, and biggest number is n1. Okay, now here just observe carefully, right? What I'm trying to take here is, okay, sir, here just copy paste here elif, okay, n2 greater than n3. Now the biggest number is n2, else the biggest number is n3. Can you please scratch it? Any explanation is required about this part? Respond. Any explanation is required about these examples? Yeah. Any explanation is required about this example? Clear, right? Nothing will be there. We covered already by using ternary operator, same example. I don't think you people are going to get some difficulty. Okay, let me execute this one, sir. Enter first number, enter second, sorry, sorry. Here, have you observed? Enter first number, enter second number, enter third number. 30 is the biggest number. Okay, like, sir, enter 30, enter 10, enter 20, still 30 is the biggest number. Okay, like perfectly. This logic is going to work. Don't keep any doubt at all. Okay, like, sir, here this is the code what we have, how to find the biggest of three given numbers. Okay, that's all. So now yeah, can you please confirm any audio problem you are facing? Please respond. Are you facing any audio problem? Audio issue is there? No. Okay, no. The people who are facing any audio related issue, can you please check your network? Okay, yeah, can you please check your network? Next, sound settings, audio settings. Okay, like, so now just here I want to ask some multiple questions, right? Okay, write a program to find the smallest of given two numbers. Smallest are given two numbers. Smallest are given two numbers. Okay, like, sir, here this is write a program to find smallest of given two numbers. Sir, smallest of given three numbers. Three numbers. Next, write a program. Write a program here. Smallest of three given numbers. Next, write a program to check whether the given number is even or odd. To check whether the given number is even or not. Okay, even or not. So write a program to check whether the given number is in between 1 and 100 or not. Sir, are you in the position to practice these small examples, or any explanation is required about this? Yes, friends, can you please confirm? I hope you people can practice, right? Okay, very simple. Smallest of two numbers, smallest of three numbers means just instead of greater than symbol, we require to use a less than symbol. Next, check whether the given number is even or not. Is if n percentage 2 is equal to 0, it is even number. It is even number. Else it is odd number. Else it is odd number. Any explanation is required? Sir, the samples, the pseudo code already I kept for you people, right? Yeah, clear, right? Sir, whether it is the even number or not. Okay, like next, write a program to check whether the given number is in between 1 and 100. 1 and 100. What I will take is if n greater than or equal to 1 and n lesser than or equal to 100 like so n greater than or equal to 1 and n less than or equal to 100, yes, okay. Else no like I hope you can practice. Okay, of course multiple ways are there. Even range function also you can use, no problem at all. Yes, this is I hope you can practice on your own very easily, not required to keep any explanation, because all these things seems to be very easy. Correct, right? Can I? Yes, friends, I hope the required thing already I completed. I didn't give the chance for you to write the code. Already the code is already there. Okay. Now that's all. Now I have one small question is there. Yes, sir, this one better to take very special care. It's also very easy thing. Don't worry at all. Sir, write a program to take a single digit number from the keyboard, a single digit number from the keyboard, and print its value in English word, and print its value in English, okay, like and print its value in English word. Okay, so digit to English word. Okay, this is my requirement, right? Something like if you enter 0, then automatically yes, 0 you have to enter. If you enter 1, then we have to get one at the answer. Okay, like can you please write this is my required program, right? I hope everyone in the position to understand, right? Write a program to take a single digit number from the keyboard and print its value in English what there inside. Okay, now first read this n. enter any digit from 0 to 9. Enter a digit from 0 to 9. Enter a digit from 0 to 9. Okay, like now if n double equal to 0, array if n value is the 0, can you please print 0? Can you please print 0 0 like I'm trying to take? Sir, if n is equal to 1, can you please print 1? Can you please print 1 1? Okay, like I'm taking, sir. Sir, I hope you can understand this type of syntax, right? Okay, sir, observe carefully, right? You can understand this type of syntax. 1 2 3. Okay, like next 6 and then 9. Okay, like sir, elif 1 elif 2. Okay, like now here just observe the 2 I'm taking. Sir, if n is equal to 3, then automatically 3. If n is equal to 4, then automatically 4. If n is equal to 5, then automatically 5. Okay, like 5. If n is the 6, then 6. Okay, like n is equal to 7. Okay, like 7. Next, n is equal to 8. Okay, now 8. Okay, like n is equal to 9. Then sir, I'm trying to take a 9. Next, else if it is not 0 to 9, okay, print please enter a digit from 0 to 9 only, okay, like I'm taking, sir. That's all. Seems to be very simple example, right? Yes, friends, very fun. Seems to be very simple example, right? Yeah, is it very simple example? Okay, like yeah, clear, right? You people are in the position to understand, right? Okay, so this is what you should aware. Okay, sir, here, yeah. Now observe carefully about this terminology, right? Okay, sir, let me execute this code. Let me execute this code, sir. What is the answer by default we are going to get here is yes, take very special care. 7 I'm trying to take 7. Let me take 8. Okay, 8. Let me take 9, 9. Let me take 0, 0. Oh, sorry. Let me take a 0, 0, 0, like, yes, 0. Let me take 10, 10. Please enter a digit. Please enter a digit from 0 to 9 only. Okay, like, are you feeling comfortable, right? Yeah. So ready-made library for the small requirement is not there, Anil. Okay. So clear for you people what there inside, copy paste only. I don't think a big logic and so on. A big logic, these kind of things are not already there. Okay. Now my question here is observe carefully, sir. What is the important thing what you people should aware? Okay. Here it's a very interesting thing. So my requirement is, okay, not only, okay, just 0 to 9. You can enter any digit, any number. Now the corresponding equivalent English word I want. Okay, English equivalent English word, yeah, I want, sir. How you can do that? Okay, so better to analyze and better to practice this one. Of course, here I have I asked one of my students, can you please write the code like yes, the last batch one student, one student, he wrote this code, sir. Have you observed, right? So in the 2018, maybe my last batch somewhere, I asked the students, okay, even in every batch, I asked, can you please analyze how you can write the code for that? It's a very simple, sir. My requirement is, if you can add any number, now the result I require to get. Okay, just let me execute this code, sir. Okay, here just here my requirement is py digits to English words py. Okay, this program can be within the limit only, something like enter any number, sir. Can you please tell some number? 786 I'm taking, sir. 786, sir. Now observe that 700 786, 786, 86. Okay, like now I'm trying to get 12, sir. 12, yes, 12, like perfectly we are going to get. Suppose I'm trying to take 7777, sir. Okay, 7777. Can you please observe 7777, 7777. Okay, like so. Can you please try this example? The people who are expecting, sir, can you please provide a small homework kind of thing, like can you please try for this? Okay, first level, what you want to what you have to do is, okay, so here I kept only 0 to 9. I kept only 0 to 9. So second level, can you please try from 0 to 20? 0 to 20, level 2, sir. Level 2. So mostly you require a hard code, no repetition, right? Next, level 3, can you please try 0 to 100, 0 to 100? Okay, like that. If you are going to do like this, next 0 to 1000, 0 to 1000, like any next level, happily you can do that, sir. Can you please try? Okay, if you are not going to get, definitely I will explain. Next even I will share this one at the end of the session. Don't worry, sir. So just for your reference. But anyway, I don't think this is a bigger code. You are not required to write this much code. Yes, sir. Try on your own. At least level by level you have to take care. Either level 2 or level 3 or level 4. Like until 4 digits or until 5 digits, 5-digit number you have to trace. Can you? Are you going to do? Okay, think a bit carefully. Think a bit very carefully, so that you can answer. Just first time you may not get, second time you may not get, but keep on trying. At certain point, definitely you are in the position to write the code. Sir, one small thing I have to take. Suppose here 123 is there. Okay, 123 is there. So here what I have to take, 100 100 and 20, 23 I have to print. Okay, 123 I have to print. Just I'm giving a small hint for you so that you people can feel more comfortable, right? Okay, just observe this one. 123 is there. I have to generate this one. So which digit is there? Okay, which digit is there in one's position? Can you please tell which digit is there in the one's position? One's position. Which digit is there? 3. How you can find which digit is there in the one's position? Digit yet one position. One position digit yet one position. Okay, one position is equal to n percentage 10. Okay, n percentage 10. Okay, like sir, observe that 123 percentage 10. Array, divide 123 by 10. Which digit you are going to get? 3. Automatically, what is the last digit you require to print? You are in the position to answer. Correct, right? Respond. Okay. Next, the digit at the 10th position. Digit at the 10th position. 10th position. 123 by what I have to take, sir? The digit at the digit yet okay, 10th position. Okay, 123 percentage 100. Then automatically what is the value I'm going to get, sir? 23 we are going to get. I get in 23 we are going to get. So 23 we are going to get. Okay. So after from that 23, okay, percentage, okay, by 10 something like okay, you can take or otherwise, okay, 23 you are going to get. So 23 by 10 is equal to 23 by 10 means 2 you are going to get. Okay, by 10, okay, 2 you are going to get. Have you observed, right? 23 like so this approach you have to follow. This approach you require to follow. Okay, remember carefully about this one, sir. Hey, digit one, how would is the 3? Ali, 123 division by 10. If I did modulo, what is the remainder? Ali, what is the remainder? 123 percentage 10. What is the remainder? 10, 12 jar 123. Then automatically 3 the remainder. 3 the remainder. Yes, sir, this is. So you require to identify in the 1th digit which thing is there, 10th digit which thing is there, in the 100th digit which thing is there. Suppose here digit yet 100th position. What I have to take, sir? 123 by 100. 123 by 100 something like that. Okay, so the style if you are going to think then definitely you are in the position to answer this type of questions. Clear, right? Yes, friends, I hope everyone in the position to understand. Not required to keep any explanation about this one. Can you please respond? Yeah, okay, so I will share at the end remind once about this code. Okay, already whatever code is there, just for your reference sake, just for your reference sake, I will share this code just for your reference. Happily you can use, but anyway you have to try on your own, then you people are going to get much clarity. Okay, that's all. So this is about okay, if next if else, okay, if else, next if else, okay, like these are the multiple examples, right? Are you feeling up to this? So you are very much familiar with if else, elif, this type of sentences. Clear, right? Can I go for next one? Yeah. Can I go for next one, sir? Yeah. So this is selection statements. Okay. Selection statements like, okay. Someone is asking, sir, use double quotes instead of single quotes. Why? Okay, any quote you can use, no problem at all. String means a single quote or double quote, any quote we can use, but my recommendation is always a single quote because it's the lightweight. Okay, next second category, okay, second category of the statements, okay, iterative statements, flow control statements, iterative statements. Second category is iterative statements. Okay, very simple, sir. So when we have to go for iterative statements, not irritative, iterative statements, right? Sir, if we want to execute a group of statements multiple times, I want to execute group of statements multiple times, then we have to go for iterative statements. Remember this one, sir. If we want to execute a group of statements, multiple times, multiple times, then we should go for iterative statements. Iterative statements are simple loops concept. Okay, it is iterative statements which are also known as loops concept, right? Okay, well, now Python, there are two types of loops are available. The first one is the anyone can you please tell how many types of loops are available, sir? There are two types are available. What is the first one? I forgot. Anyone can you please tell what is the first one, sir? The first one is for loop. The first one is for loop. Second one is while loop. Third one is do while loop. Correct, right? Third one is the do while loop. Correct, right? Okay, if you are telling yes, I will give left and right. In Python, do while is not there. In Python, do while is not there. Okay, we have only two loops are there, for loop and while loop. Okay, like let me use for loop, right? For loop syntax. Do you know there are very innocent people, sir? They ask several times, sir, when I record use for loop, when I record use while loop, I'm not having the clarity. Can you explain? Like there are n number of students ask this type of question. Okay, now you people should be in the position to understand clearly, right? Okay, very simple, sir. Sir, don't feel it is just like a general purpose for loop like C language, Java language. Like no, the people who are coming from Java background, we have a new loop in Java 1.5 version, enhanced for loop or for each loop. Anyone aware? Anyone aware? Enhanced for loop or for each loop? Yes, friends. Enhanced for loop or for each loop. Anyone aware? Yeah, the same. The people who are coming from Java background, you people should aware. Okay, don't worry, sir. To use for loop, compulsory, some sequence must be required. Some sequence must be required. Okay, here see this one. So to use for loop, compulsory, some sequence must be required. Sequence can be string, can be list, can be tuple, okay, like can be range, like sequence must be required either string or list or tuple or range, something like that. Now my question is, what is the syntax for that? For each element x, sir, here x is a variable, you can take anything, sir. For each x in the given sequence, array, for every element present in the given sequence. So this x is a variable, so every time it's going to hold the next value. First value, again this for loop is going to execute next time second value, next time third value. Okay, like so for x in sequence, okay, can you please execute the body? Okay, can you execute the body? Okay, like for each element present in the given sequence, can you please execute this body? Okay, like so here sequence must be required. Without having the sequence, you can't use the for loop. For every element present in the given sequence, can you please do something? Like then we have to go for loop, right? Okay, take very special care about this one, sir. Where is the syntax for that, sir? Assume that S is equal to DURGASOFT. Can I use the word, is it a sequence or not? Please confirm. String is also a sequence because it contains multiple characters are there. First character, second character, third character, like that. Sir, what is the first character? Respond. What is the first character? D. What is the second character? U. What is the third one? R. Like what I have to take for each element x in S. Okay, for each element x in S. So here S is the given sequence. Sir, x is a variable which is going to hold current element. First time, what is the x value? Anyone, can you please confirm? First time, what is the x value? D, sir. Because first element. Next, after executing this for next iteration, x will go to the next one, and then next will go to the next one. Okay, like so for every element present in the given sequence, can you please execute print sir x? I'm trying to print, sir. So first time, what is the x value? First time, what is the x value? Can you please confirm? D. So for each element means first time D, sir. For the D, it's already completed. Okay. Next time, sir, U. Okay, for U completed. Next time R. So for every element present in the given sequence, sir, this body will be executed. What this body is doing, sir? Just it is trying to print that variable value. Okay, like now observe carefully. Observe carefully. What is the answer by default we are going to get? First time D, next time U, next time R, G, A, S, O, F, T. So how many times it is executed, sir? The number of characters present in the given string, these many times it got executed. Are you feeling comfortable? Like, yes, when we should go for loop? Sir, it is for each loop, for every element present in the given sequence. Can you please do some activity? Can you please do some activity? Then we have to go for, okay, this a print statement. Remember carefully, right? Now, here just observe, for each x in S, for each element x in S. So what is the value of x first time? In the first iteration, what is the value of x? The value of x is D. Okay. So whenever x is the D, it is executed. Body completed. Now next iteration. Now what is the x value? Now what is the x value? Now what is the x value? X value is U. Whenever x is the U, it will execute. Iteration completed. Now, so for every element present in the given sequence, can you please execute? So now I have one small doubt. Is x is compulsory required to use the symbol, or any other symbol I can use? Array, is it mandatory to use only x, or any identifier can I use, right? Any identifier you can use. So for each element in S, sir, here can you please print that element? Both the things are same, right? For each element in S, print that element. Yeah. Observe, is it the same thing or not? Okay, like so by using for loop, how to print characters present in the given string. Okay, this is the base. Okay, like let me go for another small example, right? Okay, example 2, sir. Yeah, print characters with the index also. Print to print characters with the index also, index also. Okay, suppose here let me enter Durga with the index. Just I have to worry about only positive index, don't worry, sir. Okay, now observe that. Now observe this one, sir. Here if you observe that, what is the index here? Index of D 0. Next index of sorry, index of U 1, index of R 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, like you know, sir, start index is always 0. I know, right? Now for each x in S, array, for every element x in S, print the character present at index, the character present at index, sir, is okay, like I'm trying to take, can I take f string? Yeah, we are already familiar with this syntax. Now the character present at index I. Sir, what is the x value I have to take? Next, every time this x will be incremented automatically, but I value we are responsible to increment. Can I take like this? Can I take like this? Can you please confirm? No. Okay. Can I take like this? No way. You can't. because increment and decrement operators are not available in Python. So I is equal to I plus 1 you can take, or simple I plus is equal to 1 you can take. Among these, any syntax you can hold, no problem, right? Yeah, that's it. Sir, what is this F? This concept is called F string. In the last video, I explained very clearly. Have you remembered, right? String formatting. In the last video, we covered already string formatting. Okay, like the people who missed the last session, can you please go through the previous video? Automatically, you will get much clarity. Okay, now here see this. So for every time x, for each x, okay, can you please print this one? Okay, currently x value is the d. Next time x value is u. Okay, like at the beginning, what is the I value? Can you please confirm? 0, sir. 0. For each x, at the beginning, x is the d. Sir, print the character present at index 0 is d. Perfect, sir. Now I value will become 1, 1. Now x value will become u, sir. The character present at index 1 is u, like, yeah, perfect. It's going to work out. Yeah. Can you please confirm? The character present at index 0 is the d, index 1 is u, index 2 is r. Okay, like, any doubt? Respond. Ray, any doubt about this one? No. Okay, now here, just I'm trying to take import, enter any string. Enter any string. Enter any string. Okay, like I'm trying to take, sir. Okay, here now I'm not hard coding. Enter any string, sir. Okay, like just apple. Okay, apple, like I'm trying to take. Sir, index 0 is a, index 1 is p, index 2 is the p, index 3 is l, index 4 is the e. Okay, like so perfect, right? Is it working or not? Yes, you can take. Yes, Durga software, something like that. Yeah, Durga software. Now all the indexes by default you are going to get. Yes, friends. I hope it's clear. Not required to keep any explanation about this. Okay. Yeah, related to this, if you want, you can ask the doubt. Related to this concept. Anyone having the doubt related to this? If the string is too long also, it will work, right? Yes. Sir, any F string, the length of the string can be anything, no problem at all. Okay, to inject the values, happily you can go for that. F strings concept is the most beautiful. So I want to change the order of index for loops. No way, you can't. So by using each character, you will get the character. Now, if you want, you can keep, you can save this somewhere else, and then you can create a new string with a changed index. Ritik, can you please save these characters one by one inside ascending order or descending order? Like in the strings, there are some entry questions already I covered, right? Ritik, in the string already some entry questions I covered in that already there. Okay. In which conditions we can use F string? Nothing. Just here F string. If you want to inject some variable values in our string, this total is one string. I want to inject variable values in the string. Then highly recommended. Happily you can go for F string. We have some other ways are there. Okay, but anyway, this way is the recommended. Okay. Next, here say this one. Sir, my requirement is, can you here just by using for loop, print hello 10 times. This is about my requirement. Print hello 10 times. This is my requirement, right? How we can do that? Can you please print hello 10 times? This is my requirement. How we can do that? Sir, very simple. S is equal to input of sorry, here just 10 times I require to print. So now observe. So here I'm not having any sequence, but I want to execute for loop. 10 times. Can I consider range of 10? How many values are there inside that? Yeah. Naresh, range of 10. It is a sequence. How many values are there? 10 values are there. 0 to 9. 0 to 9, 10 values are there. 0 to 9. Hey, 0 to 9, 10 values are there. Here like begin here 0 to last n minus 1. Okay, like for each x in range of 10. Array, first time what is the x value? 0. Next time what is the x value? 1, 2, 3 and so on, like 0 to 9 means 10 times this for loop will execute. Okay, I don't want to use x value, no problem at all. Just I'm trying to use hello like, yeah. So every time I'm trying to print hello, then how many times this loop is going to execute? Yes, how many times this loop is going to execute? 10 times. How many times this loop will be executed? Sir, 10 times. Then automatically, yeah, observe carefully. What the answer by default you are going to get, sir? Hello, like 10 times it's going to get. Clear for you, right? Are you feeling any difficulty to understand? But make sure, sir, compulsory some sequence must be required. Then only we can use for loop. Okay, if you are not having the sequence, then you can't use for loop. Okay, to display numbers from 0 to 10. Okay, this is my requirement, right? To display, okay, numbers from, to display numbers from 0 to 9, 0 to R1, 0 to 10, okay, at 0 to 9. Okay, well, so this is my requirement. To display numbers from 0 to 9, 0 to 9, what I have to take? Yes, very simple, very simple, sir. What I will take, sir, what is the x value? What is the x value? At the beginning 0, next time 1, next time 2. Okay, now let me print that x value. Let me print that x value. Then automatically, what is the answer by default? You are going to get 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on until 9. Perfectly, it's going to work out. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on until 9 we are going to get. So can you please print x value? Okay, like we can take. Next, here to display odd numbers from 0 to 20. Okay, to display odd numbers, to display odd numbers from 0 to 20. From 0 to 20. Okay, like that. This is my requirement, right? So what is the way how we can do that, sir? Array 0 to 20 means can I use a range of 21? Yeah, can I use the range of 21? Yes, range of 21 means 0 to 20 will be covered. 0 to 20 will be covered. Okay, now for each x in range of 21. Okay, now if I have to print odd numbers, I want to print odd numbers. That's why if x percentage 2 is not equal to 0, what is the meaning of that? Array, if I divide with the 2, if the remainder is not 0, means it is the odd number. Print x value. Otherwise, don't print. If it is an odd number, then only print. Otherwise, don't do that. Don't do that. Okay, like now observe 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay, like for fair. Is it going to work out or not? Okay, if you want even numbers, if you want to print instead of not equal, better to take equal. Better to take equal, then even numbers we are going to get. Okay, so not equal means odd numbers. Next, even numbers if you want, so better to use equal symbol. Okay, next to display here, just to display numbers from 10 to 1 in descending order. 10 to 1 in descending order. In descending order, like what is the base? In descending order, 10, 9, 8, 8, 7 and so on, right? What is the way? It's very simple. Range of 10 to 0. Every time can you please decrement by 1? Have you observed? So 10 to 0, 10 to 0. Every time, can you please decrement by 1? Can you please decrement by 1? So first 10, and then decrement by 1 means 9, 8, 7, and so on. It will come into the picture. Okay, range of 10, comma 0, comma minus 1. Can you please print x value? Print of x. 10, 9, 8, and so on. Okay, like perfect. Clear? So all these things are small example to get just the basic idea, familiarity with the for loop syntax. When we should go for loop, okay, like clear, right? Okay, next up. Sir, here just last example. To print sum of numbers present in the given list. To print the sum of numbers present in the given list. Okay, like sir, assume that L is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I'm trying to take. Sir, what my requirement is, whatever numbers present inside this list, can you please perform sum and then return that? Okay, very simple. Sir, total is equal to 0. I'm taking one variable. I'm taking total is the 0 for each x in L. Can you please confirm first time what is the x value? Respond. For each x, first time what is the x value? X value 10. 10. Total is equal to total plus x. Can you please add x to total variable? Can you please add x to the total variable? Okay, like so first time already 0 is there. 0 plus 10 means 10. Next time 10 plus 20, 30. Next time like it's going to be happen. Now print the sum. Print the sum. The sum is total, like I'm trying to take it. Yeah. What is the answer we will get, sir? Yes, the sum 150. Perfect. It's going to work out. So now I don't want to hard code this value. I don't want to hard code this value. These values are my requirement is enter the list. Input of enter list of int values. Enter list of int values. Okay, like, but make sure it is always available in which form? Respond. It is always available in which form? In which form? String form. I want to convert string form. Input function always available in which form? String form. I want to convert into okay list into corresponding type. Which function I require to use? Eval. Have you remembered? Eval. It is going to evaluate. It is going to evaluate. Convert into okay list. Suppose here 1 minute. Some people may have that doubt. Enter list of int values, right? Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, like I'm taking. Can you please observe? Input function, it is always going to return string form only, but internally it is the list of int values are there. First identify internally which content is there. Can you please convert into the corresponding? Then automatically what will happen? Now it will be converted into list of numbers only. Now the remaining story is the same. Now observe what is the answer I have to get, sir. 10, 20, 30, 40 means 100. Please confirm the sum 10, 20, 30, 40 itself is 100 we are going to get. Any doubt? Can you please confirm? All the people are in the position to understand. Okay, here observe eval function. What is the use? What is the purpose of input? All these things we discussed already. Can you please read the list of numbers and convert into okay list means eval is the function we require to use. Yeah, that's it. So I hope you people are in the position to understand what is the basic syntax of for loop. Yes friends, how you can use for loop, how you can use for loop. I don't think this syntax is very difficult for you people, right? Yeah, still there are some very innocent people are there, like Samra and anyone feeling, yeah, Samra, and anyone feeling difficult to understand? Samra, you require to refer the previous videos well, because you should be very strong in basics. Next, especially the people who are not having any programming background, better to spend more time, okay, with the basics. Otherwise the next cinemas will become difficult. Anyone feeling difficult? I hope I'm seeing Samra Kamal. Okay, like there is one person who is feeling a bit difficult. But what about remaining people? All the remaining people, can I feel? Can I expect a comfortable? Yes, Sai Mitra, Sonali, Ritik. Yeah. Can I move to the next level? Okay. Well, so now the next cinema, what I have to talk is, this is about for loop. Next cinema, while loop, right? Okay, while loop we have to take while loop, right? Okay, while loop is the very simple, sir. While loop. Okay, sir, here if we, when we should go for loop cinema is the very clear, right? For loop cinema is the very clear for you people, right? Okay, sir, now when we have to go for while loop, right? Here while loop is always based on condition. Okay, for is always based on collection. For every element inside a collection or inside sequence, if you want to do some activity for each element in the given sequence, in the given sequence, if you want to perform any activity, if we want to perform any activity, then we require to go for which loop? For loop. Correct, right? Just now we cover for each element in the given sequence, if we want to perform, any activity, then we have to go for loop. Multiple examples I cover. But I want to execute a group of statements, yes, along, yeah, some condition based. While loop is not a sequence based. While loop is not a sequence based, and it is a condition based. Remember that while loop is not sequence based, it is a condition based. Okay, like now observe very carefully, right? So if we want to perform any activity, yes, long, yes, some condition is the true, then we should go for while loop. Sir. So if once a condition fails, sir, automatically the loop will be terminated. Very simple, sir. While condition, sir. While condition, this is the body. So yes, long, yes, condition is the true. Yes, long, yes, condition is the true. The body will be executed again and again. So the body will be executed. Okay. Yes, long, yes, some condition is the true. The body will be executed. Okay. Once a condition fails, then body, then the loop will be terminated. Okay, like now observe that carefully, right? Array, if this condition returns true, execute this body. After executing this body, again evaluate this condition. Now also it is the true, execute this body. Again evaluate this condition, true. Now also execute this body. Yes, long, yes, condition is the true, then the body will be executed. Once the condition fails, then only the loop will be stopped or the loop will be terminated. So theoretically, okay. If I go for a small chota example, sorry, then you will get much clarity, I'm sure. Theoretically, are you feeling comfortable, right? Yeah. Theoretically, it's okay, right? Okay. Just I will go for a small chota example so that you people can feel more comfortable, right? What I want to take is example one. Okay. To print numbers. To print numbers from 1 to 10. From 1 to 10. This is my requirement, right? Array, can you please print the numbers from 1 to 10? So it never talks about any sequence. If you are not talking about sequence, best loop is while loop, sir. While loop, right? What I will take is, okay, listen carefully, right? I is equal to 1. While I less than or equal to 10. Because 1 to 10, right? Print I value. Print I value. I is equal to I plus 1. I is equal to I plus 1. Yeah. Now observe carefully. At the beginning, what is the I value? Respond. At the beginning, what is the I value? 1. 1 less than or equal to 10. Is this condition satisfied or not? Yes. True, sir. Oh, if it is a true, body should be executed. Now print I value 1. And then I value will become 2. Now, sir, 2. Can you please go for next? 2 less than or equal to 10 or not? 2 less than or equal to 10 or not? Yes. 2 less than or equal to 10. Less than or equal to 10. Yes. Observe carefully. Now, okay, like a print I. Okay, like that. Any doubt? Are you feeling comfortable, right? Yeah. So when I is equal to 2, printed. Next I is the 3. 3 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, printed. Okay. When it will be stopped, sir? If I is a 10 less than or equal to 10, printed. I value will become 11. 11 less than or equal to 10. Sorry, not matched. Not. What is the output by default you are going to get here is the, observe that carefully. 1, 2, 3 and so on. 10, 1 to 10 will be printed. Once that condition fails, then immediately it will be stopped. Okay. Now observe. Now have a look once, sir. All these are theory. Can you please read? Now you people will get much clarity because first example already we covered, right? If we want to perform any activity, as long as some condition is true, then we should go for while loop. Okay. While condition the body. So as long as some condition is true, as long as condition is true, the body will be executed. Once the condition fails, then the loop will be terminated. Yes, friends, are you feeling comfortable? All the people, can you please confirm once? Respond. All the people, can you please confirm once? You people are feeling comfortable, right? Yeah. Okay, well. So now here we never talk about any sequence. We never talk about any sequence. This is always condition based. If this condition is true, execute body. If this condition fails, then automatically stop. Okay. If this condition is true, execute the body. If this condition fails, then stop. Something like that. Okay. Now, sir, here example to print some are first n natural numbers. First n natural numbers. Okay, like that. The sum are first n natural numbers like how you can do that. Okay, 1 minute. Someone is asking about living cut ready. Sir, in Java, even the condition fail, the first step, the body will be executed at least once, right? Did the terminology works in Python? Do you know, Palli Venkat Reddy, this behavior is related to do while loop. Okay, do while loop. Whatever behavior you are telling, it is related to do while loop, but do while loop is not available in Python. Venkat Reddy. Getting right? Yeah. Right. No response. Okay. Now here see this one. Observe carefully. Sir, to print the sum of first n natural numbers. Okay. If I provided n is equal to 3, sir. The sum of first 3 natural numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3. What about its value? 6 I have to print. 6 I have to print. If I provide n is equal to 5, then the sum of first 5 natural numbers, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, what about its value? Okay, 15. Correct, right? 15. I require to print 15. This is my requirement. So you may provide n is equal to 100, sir. 100. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus plus 100. The sum of first 100 natural numbers. What about its value, sir? Do you know anyone aware mathematical formula? N into n plus 1 by 2. N into n plus 1 by 2 by 2. At our childhood somewhere we cover. N value is 100. 100 into 101. N plus 1 means 101 by 2 to 50 jar. Okay. 101 into 50 means 5050 is the answer I have to get. 101 into 50. N into n plus 1 by 2. The sum of first n natural numbers. Okay. Clear, right? Can I go for this one? Okay. Now simple example, sir. What I will take is, okay. Sir, here I is equal to 1. First read the n value. N is equal to int of input of enter n value. Enter n value like. Now here I is equal to 1. Total is equal to 0. Okay, I is equal to 1, total is equal to 0. Or at the beginning, some value is a 0, sir. Total is the 0, I is equal to 1. Okay. While I lesser than or equal to n, while I lesser than or equal to n, sir, total is equal to total plus I value. Okay. First time I is 1, sir. Add 1. And then 1 less than or equal to n. Okay, satisfied. Add. Next I value will become 2. 2 less than or equal to. Suppose assume that n is equal to 3 I entered. What is the I value first? First, what is the I value? I respond. First, what is the I value? I value 1. 1. 1 less than or equal to 3. Satisfied. So total 0 plus 1. 0 plus I value 1. Okay, 1. Next I value will become 2. 2 less than or equal to n. Satisfied. So total means 1 plus 2. Okay, like any explanation is required? Is it going to print if n is equal to 3 means 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3? Is it going to be happened or not? Then it will be stopped, sir. So as long as I value is less than or equal to n means up to n it is going to keep on adding. If it is not less than or equal to n, I mean if it is greater than n, was required sum completed, we are not required to proceed. Can you please stop? If you have such a type of requirement, happily we can go for this. Okay. Now observe carefully. Enter n value. Enter n value 3, sir. So 3. Okay, because I didn't print the sum. Print the sum. Print the sum is total. Total. Okay. At the beginning, total value is the 0. For this total, I'm keep on adding. Remember carefully, right? Okay. Now observe. Enter n value 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3. Its value is the 6. Enter n value 5. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. 15. Enter n value 100. The sum 5050 like. Any doubt? Any explanation is required? Are you feeling comfortable? Yeah, it's a clear, right? Okay, well, sir, now here just this is the syntax related to, okay, how to find the sum of first n natural numbers. Okay, like next here just let me go for a small chota example, very interesting example, sir. Listen carefully, you have to tell. Here I'm just taking name is equal to name is equal to empty. I'm trying to take, okay, name is equal to empty, sir. Empty while name is not equal to Sunny. While name is not equal to Sunny, if the name is not Sunny, now I will ask name is equal to input of enter your favorite heroine. Okay, like now print thanks for confirmation. Think a bit carefully and then let me know when this loop will be stopped, sir. Yeah, when the loop will be stopped. Name is empty. Name is not equal to Sunny. Oh, satisfied. Now body will execute. Now it's asking again name. If the name is not Sunny, ask again name. If the name is Sunny, then it will be stopped. Correct, right? Then it will be stopped. If you entered any name other than Sunny, then name is not Sunny, satisfied. It will ask again and again. Oh, enter name. Like if you enter name as the Sunny, pass. Name is the Sunny. Sunny is not equal to Sunny, fails. Then only it will be stopped. This program forcing you to enter name as the Sunny, or until you enter Sunny, it is keep on asking. Sir, enter your favorite heroine. Okay, just I'm trying to take Katrina. Again it's asking Are Karina. Again it's asking Malika, something like. Again it's asking, okay, Alia. Okay, yes, again it's asking, sir, something like Radhika. Okay, like again it's asking. Okay, like now when it will be stopped, sir, just enter Sunny. Yeah, thanks for confirmation. Okay, whenever you enter Sunny, then only it will be stopped. Otherwise, keep on continue. No, observe observe this one. Clear, right? So there is no collection. Here it's always based on the condition. If this condition is satisfied, then okay, this body will execute. If this condition fails, then it will be stopped. Next, this print statement is outside of while loop. Once a while loop completed, then only this print statement will be executed. Good example. Yeah, friends. Clear? Are you feeling comfortable? Okay. Yeah. Clear, right? String pattern program means what? Ganesh, which program? String examples. Yeah, welcome. Okay, clear, right? Up to this, any doubt or any explanation is required? Are you feeling comfortable? Someone is asking, Ali is asking a small doubt. Maybe some people may have this type of doubt. Okay, what is the meaning of first name is equal to empty? If we not put name is equal to empty, if we are not taking this one, what will happen? That is the doubt. That is the doubt. If you are not taking name is equal to empty, if you are not taking this line, but here you are using name, where is the name variable? We are not having the name variable, right? So without having the name variable, okay, how you can use that name variable? Now observe that. Now observe this. I removed this one. I removed this one, sir. Sir, now you are using, while name is not equal to surname. Are where you keep name? Name is not available, but you are using. What will happen? Name error. Name error. Name is not defined. Getting right? So that's why at the beginning, let me take name variable with empty value. Anyway, this empty is not equal to surname only. It will continue. Yeah. Getting right? Ali? Yeah. Okay, that's all. So I have one choice for you people. Are you going to practice up to this for loop and while loop, so that we have to, sir, think about pattern programs? Okay,